serious, mate. You actually stop like that. Professional driver. Actually stopping like that. Professional driver. Come on.
Yeah, but Suzanne, Lily. Did you guess the month and year?
Not any of these going to stop.
2012. So on to today's story.
No, I have to.
A family
Thanks.
were worried. It was most unlike Carol not to contact her brother and mum, Dara. Don was a particularly unimpressive witness at his trial. When one barrister asked him about an incident when he grabbed his girlfriend Gemma and hit her face against a brick wall, he exploded with rage, saying, "There's no way on earth that happened. It's a lie. I was trying to make her life better. I've had one tragedy in my life, just that manslaughter.
That's a red light you just gone through there, mate. Doesn't matter.
Not a domestic abuser."
There's roadworks in front.
The
It was
QC
still a
asked
red light.
about the death of Michelle Harkins
With
and
these
how
people.
he'd initially tried to pin the blame on another.
Oh, I know now, just to get that
Said,
parking space.
"That's what you're doing now, isn't it?" "No, I'm telling the truth," replied Don. The QC continued.
Move over a bit, mate. Fucking hell. What's wrong with you people? Can't you see how big your car is?
And if you're like me, you won't want to pay over the odds for materials. So I always go to Travis Perkins for the big trade deals. Like bulk bags of blended loam PV topsoil for $68.50 each.
We've all been to Tottenham Hotspur Stadium. It's unbelievable. You're getting a pint £2.10 cheaper than you're getting at the London Stadium. It's absolutely disgusting.
Well, the thing about
especially with the crisis that
what
we've
are
got.
Well, the thing about
especially with the crisis that
What
we've
are you
got at the
doing?
moment.
Arsenal's not cheap.
What sort of
It might be
manoeuvre
cheap,
is
but
that?
It'd be cheaper than that. I mean, it'd be £5.70, £5.80 for a pint.
At 9 a.m. this morning to talk all life on Merseyside. It's now 7:59.
Talk Sport Breakfast with ArnoldFarm.com. We guarantee the UK's best.
Correspondent on Talksport this morning. Just a reminder, coming up in the show, we've got Gabby joining us at 8 a.m. for a couple of hours. We've also got Connor Cody, the new centre-back signing.
Let's balance life and work together. Apply today at mcdonalds.co.uk/jobs.
You love what you do. Every job and every customer matters. And your reviews...
What are you doing?
Oh,
Fucking hell. You can't see them signs.
Trader, the website that millions of people use to find reputable tradespeople like you. If you're as passionate as we are about doing things right,
Unbelievable.
you've got what it takes to join the Trust a Trader family and really grow your business.
Sauceman great cricket on display.
Sounded like he was really enjoying himself. Good on Joe
I
Martin.
didn't damn the pins guy though.
I did.
I was convinced he'd have some sort of beard. Just I didn't think he'd have fruit inside it.
Joe's got a sensitive side to him, which would embrace Pimm's. I can totally see him drinking Pimm's or other fruity ciders or something.
Just
like
caught me
that.
by surprise.
Yeah,
So it tells me that van's not going right.
Joe as well. Still to come on the show. We're also going to hear.
Oh, what a surprise! Straight on.
Signing. He was on the show yesterday with Jim White and Simon Jordan, and it went rather well by all accounts. We're going to hear some.
It's knowledge and passion. It's part instinct, part optics. Fulham, back up and staying up. No more yo-yoing. Forest won it in 78. Who's to say we won't again? Leicester did it in 2016. Who's to say we won't?
Spurs were realistic, second with a trophy. No chance. Arsenal will finish above you.
They believe it. See it on BT Sport. 22 years. Girls that want to play football at school should be afforded the same opportunities as the boys. It's a legitimate sport, it's a legitimate opportunity, and the world has moved on. It isn't just about rounders and netball for girls, it's about whichever sport they want to participate in. Now, there has to be a balance between what schools can provide, given the fact that we're in the middle of a situation where no one seems to have a brass farthing between them. But if the boys can play football, then so should the girls.
But isn't it more about, Simon, the opportunity presents itself in a school for girls to play football without them having to choose they want to play it? Because how do you know you enjoy something until you try it? You with me? So you're not going to get a 7-year-old, maybe you won't get a 6 or 7-year-old girl.
Fucking great. Again. Bless you, mate. You just blocked everything up, mate. And he's going the wrong way. Exits this way, idiot. Can't even read the road signs. Fucking numpty. Now he's going to go round the block again. Twat.